Good evening, this is Jan. Welcome to my kitchen. I'm gonna make one of my favorite dishes ever, and that is Bolognese, the Italian meat sauce. Now, usually I make this with beef, ground beef, or a combination of beef and pork. But today it's gonna be venison. A little more than 200 grams. I'm gonna grind this so that it's suitable for the Bolognese. I will use my chopping knife for this. Perfect knife. Meat is a little bit slippery because of the fat, the juices, but I will manage. Then I get to the vegetables, the aromatics, celery, red onion. In a traditional recipe, carrot is also used, but I'm not going to use carrot because I don't really need it in the recipe. There's going to be a little bit of adjustments also later on during the process of the Bolognese sauce, because I'm using some other herbs sauces which are not in the authentic recipe, but yeah, it's going to be a little bit different because I'm a little bit different. I cleaned the board, so I'm ready for the vegetables. Start with the celery. Chop these very fine. Plus the red onion. And of course you can use any onion or shell you like. I'm just using red onion because I think these onions are perfect for, well, especially for bolognese, also for other stews. It's time to start cooking. Extra virgin olive oil in a hot pan, straight in with the red onion. I always put some black pepper in there with the onion, which is good. After about 2 minutes, in with the celery. A couple of minutes later, I also add the meat, in this case the venison. I'm a big fan of venison. And this is actually the first time that I'm making bolognese with venison. So, very curious. I must not forget to season the meat with the black pepper. Quite a lot, as always. It's time to add some herbs to this beautiful meat sauce. Thyme, my favorite Mediterranean herb. A little too much maybe. Then usually I'm adding oregano, but I ran out of oregano, so There's going to be basil today, which is also quite aromatic. The next step is to add tomato paste. Plus beef stock. And I'm gonna scrape all the flavors from the bottom of the pan. We're not done yet, we're almost there, but I have to add some sauces, two of my favorite sauces, which are Worcestershire sauce and sriracha. Worcestershire sauce quite a lot, sriracha also, but not too much. This is gonna be medium spicy, just how I like it. And then I will leave the sauce cooking slowly for about 30 minutes. Maybe some more, maybe 45 minutes, maybe 1 hour. I pour myself a glass of wine, red wine from Italy of course, Montepulciano d'Abruzzo. That's a grape variety, that is the region, that is like central Italy on the east coast. Cheers. Red fruit. Cherries, yeah, it's cherry dominated. And a little spicy as well. That's what I taste in here. And this goes well with bolognese. The water is boiling, so that means I have to add the pasta, which is tagliatelle. The best combination for bolognese. The tagliatelle will be cooking for about 6 minutes, not more than that, because then it's done, it's al dente. That's what we want. Putting some pasta water with the sauce. Almost done. I will start adding my tagliatelle to the meat sauce. Right, this is bolognese, like you never tasted this before. is all about the venison. Tender meat, gamey flavors, which I like, plus a very good match with the Bolognese flavors. I love this stuff. And as I thought already, the Montepulciano d'Abruzzo is a perfect match. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. And remember, keep on enjoying your food like I do.